Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. Lots to talk about. I'll share with you the deals I did as well as many deals I didn't do that you might want to check out. I'll also show you how I used my Spend 25 Get 7 digital booster I had this week, as well as show you a potential big moneymaker for you and share some freebies with you guys. Before I get into any of that, I want to remind you, you can subscribe to the channel. That way you never miss when I make a post. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe, so hit that red subscribe button. You can also click the little bell, that way you get notified when I post something. I also have been posting quite a bit to the community tab, so if you have no idea how to get there, if you go to my main YouTube page, so youtube.com/savingwithchristina, you're gonna see a tab that says community. That's where I place a lot of deals that I see during the week that I don't make full videos on, so you might wanna check that throughout the week to see what deals you might be missing. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at SaveWithChristina or TikTok at SaveWithChristina. All of that information is always in the video description box. Now, last week, a couple people emailed me like, hey, where are you? I didn't see a video. So I honestly didn't think the deals were that great last week, but I was planning to do a video. I go to Walgreens, I do a couple of deals. I then sneak over to the gas station to put gas in my car before heading home. And someone backed into me at the gas station. So honestly, I just was not in the mood to make and edit and post a video last week. So I apologize for that, but we're back on and I want to talk with you about a freebie that anyone can do. It is getting a free 8x10 photo. You want to put an 8x10 photo in your cart, use this code here. It will come out to be completely free. I have no idea what the expiration date is on that offer, so do it sooner rather than later. Another freebie that you can do, but you want to place this either online or for a curbside pickup. It's on this AVRALF eye wash. $5.49 is the price. There is a $3 manufacturer coupon as well as a $3 store coupon that will automatically adjust down to the cost of the item, making this completely free, again, curbside or online. Now, another deal that you can do a couple of different ways is on this Olay. So listen up because I'm going to show you how I did it, and I'm going to tell you a different way that you could do it that might be better for you. These are $7 each. Okay, you want to buy 3 of them. That's $21. Use the $5 digital you can find in your digital coupons. You're left to pay $16. Now, if you are doing this for curbside pickup or online, you don't want to use Walgreens Cash to Pay because it's considered a spend deal. You're going to get $5 in Walgreens cash back for buying 3. That's not the spend deal part. You're going to get another $5 in Walgreens cash back for spending 15. So you'll get $10 back, making it $6 for all 3 of them, or $2 each. Now, I have heard that if you do this deal in store, you're going to get 2 different $5 register rewards. So the price is the same, 7 for each of them. That's $21 minus the $5 digital. You're going to pay $16 and then get back 2 $5 register rewards, 1 for buying 3, 1 for spending 15. The benefit of doing it in store is that you could use your Walgreens Cash to Pay and still get both of those register rewards back. I did it online, so I did not use my Walgreens Cash to Pay because I did this as part of my spend booster anyway, and I'll tell you about that here in just a minute. But $2 each on the Olay body wash is a good price. The Tide Bounty, the Tide Bounce products, this line here, and I'll pop it up on the screen, it's 4 for $10. Whether you do it in store or you do it curbside, it is 4 for $10, which is just a great price to begin with. So for me, how I chose to use my spend 25, get $7 in Walgreens Cash Spend Booster was picking up 3 of the Olay and 4 of the Tides together. And I think I have the breakdown here. So after the coupon for the Olay, I paid $26. I got back the $10 in Walgreens Cash for the Olay, as well as the $7 for the Spend Booster, leaving my final cost to be $9 for all of it, or just $1.28 each. Now, if you don't have the spin booster. There is another way to do this that will be a really great moneymaker. So follow me on this. If you are brand new to Rakuten, you've never heard of it, you've never used it, you've never signed up, or you have another email address that you want to sign up with, you can get $30 back on a $30 purchase when you use my link down below. So I'll place it down in the comments. Here's how this would work. You click on Rakuten, you join. You don't have to pay anything to be a member of Rakuten. It's completely free. Okay. You then go to Walgreens through the Rakuten system. It's just going to reroute you to Walgreens. You'll shop as normal. You can pick up 3 of the Olay, 4 of the Tide, and then anything else that's going to cost you $4 so that you can get to $30 out of pocket before tax. Okay. So that way you would spend $30. You would get back the $10 in Waglreens cash for the Olay. You would get back $30 for spending $30 on Rakuten, right? So that makes it a $10 moneymaker. If you had an additional spin booster like I did of spend 25, get 7, you'd get that Waglreens cash back as well. So it could be a great moneymaker if you want to try out the Rakuten platform. Again, it doesn't cost you anything. I'll drop the link down below. You spend $30 out of pocket before taxes, you get $30 back in your Rakuten account, and then you can cash out from your Rakuten account. Now, couple more deals. If you're shopping in store, you want to check out the other Tide Gain Bounty Bounce deal. Okay, the products are $5.49 each. I picked up one of the Tide liquids, one of the Gain liquids, again, $5.49 each. Both of these had a $1.50 digital coupon. Okay, I also picked up the Charmin at $5.49. There was a $1 digital coupon. And then I picked up the Bounty Essentials paper towels at $5.49. There was a $1 coupon. These products are on promotion for buy 4, get a $5 register reward. So you want to do this deal in store. Okay, so how did that shake out? Where did I put my little cheat sheet here? On the back of the Tide. So after the $2.50 digitals and the 2 $1 digitals, I paid $16.96. I got back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for all 4 of them, or just $2.99 each. Yes, you could use register rewards to pay that down, or use your Waglreens cash to pay that down because you were buying 4 and you were getting back a $5 register reward. Now, if you are shopping in store and you're trying to snag some Ibotta rebates, look at this Balmex. This was $8.99. That was the online price. I'm not quite sure how much it would be at your store, but there is a $5 rebate on Ibotta, which is a high value rebate on Ibotta. So it'd make it around $3.99 for this product if you need baby gift or you have a baby and you need the diaper rash cream. The other deal I want to talk with you about, and you can do it a couple of different ways. I did it online. You could get a better deal doing it in store. I'm going to go ahead and share both ways with you. It's on the Secret deodorant. They are buy 1, get 1 half off. So if you purchase 2 of them online, that's $8.68. Use a $5 digital coupon. Simple straight math. You're going to pay $3.68 total, or just $1.84 each. Now, if you're in store, these are on promotion for buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So you want to pick up a third one, okay, at $5.79. You're still going to have that same $5 digital coupon, but this way you're going to get a $5 register reward back, making it $4.47 for all 3, or $1.49 each. So a little bit better deal if you do it in store. Now, I think that was everything I bought. Let me tell you about a few of the things I did not buy that you might want to check out. The Colgate toothpaste. It is buy 2 at $5. Use a $5 digital. You're going to pay $5 out of pocket, get a $4 register reward back, making it $1 for both, or 50 cents each. The Febreze, you can get them at $3.99. There's a new $2.30 digital coupon, making it $1.69 for that Febreze. There were the smaller, like mini waters. There was a 15-pack for $1.99. If your store sells those, that's a good price for those. I noticed Glucerna had a product for $7.99 with a $4 digital. That makes it just $3.99 for that. The Canada Dry soft drinks, they were 3 for $14.99. That makes them $5 for a 12-pack. The Pantene also has a deal this week. You want to buy 3 of them at $5. There is a $5 digital coupon, so you'll pay $10 for all 3 of them. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $6 for all 3, or just $2 each. So those are the best deals that I saw when I was looking through the Walgreens ad this morning. If you're finding other things, by all means, please share with us down in the comments. We'd love to see what you're getting. And I know the deals can change throughout the week as far as like new things popping up on Ibotta or new digital coupons popping up. If you're a fan of Swag Bucks, you can snag a pretty good deal on the Sweet Tart ropes. They are 2 for $9. When you buy 2 of them, you can submit your receipt to get $7 back on Swag Bucks. That makes it $2 for both of them, or just $1 each. So that's pretty easy deal if you want to throw something in the Easter basket that's Sweet Tart ropes. Now, what else do I want to tell you? Oh, one last thing, and I meant to mention it at the beginning of the video. I posted this, I want to say, to the community tab last week, but if you have someone in your life that's like 5 to 13, 5 to 11 kind of age frame, you can score a completely free Lego magazine subscription for them, and I will drop a link for that down in the comments below as well. All right, I hope you have a great week. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I'll be posting pictures of the items that I found on clearance. Thanks.